Hello, this is Chris Roshon, 24K on Twitter. Today I'll be unboxing the WD Black P10 5TB version. Now this is the top version that they offer. Has up to 130 megabytes a second transfer rate. And it's for your gaming, so you can save with this model and this size up to 36 gigabytes per game, so that's 125 games that you can store on here. So we'll show you some details here on the back real quick. You can pause it and read it. It has a limited lifetime warranty for 3 years. And then we'll get inside and show you the actual drive itself. I like the packaging that Western Digital offers because it's easy to open. There's no more of that sealed thermal plastic anymore. This is much better, much easier to get into. So this drive is made for saving games, so it's compatible with the PS4 Pro and the PS4 as well as the Xbox One and Windows 8.1 and Windows 10, as well as macOS 10.11 Plus, and it has a metal top and a plastic bottom. So this does passive heat dissipation on top, and it comes with a USB 3.2 Gen 1 port, so up to 5 gigabits a second with that transfer. And if you do USB 2.0, it's 480 megabits a second. You can see it has little rubber feet here at the bottom, so as to sit nicely on a table. And while it's running, you won't hear it move or the drive move or make any noises. And as you can see, it's stuck to the table with those feet. So that's good. Going further inside the box, you get some documentation. You get the color matched Type A to Micro B cable for this drive. And some other details. Like I said, you can store 125 games with this 5TB version. That's about 36 gigabytes per game. And it comes with, like I said, a 3-year limited warranty. So this is the 5TB Western Digital drive. They make 2 and 4TB versions as well. I like the design. This is definitely set up to look like professional for gamers, and the metal top is great for heat dissipation. This is Chris Roshon, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.